Okay, so young builders. So here we are. Like I said, I've built an RFID system. RFID means radio frequency identification. So we have the breadboard here. You can see the connection. Okay, the wire looks messy. Don't worry. It's a very simple connection you will get. So very soon we get to the level of packaging them in a case. So don't worry. So this is the RFID module. So this is the Arduino board, like I've shown you earlier. With Arduino board you can build different projects. So this is a breadboard where we connected all other components. So we have the buzzer here. So when you come in with a wrong card, it's beeps power like that. Then I have the green LED. So when it's on, it shows access granted. So when you have the red LED, that shows access denied, and then other connections. So this is the code that I've written. You can see the lines of code, so you don't worry. Coding has been made easy. It's not something so difficult. I can tell you that. It's just a language of the machine. So you have the codes here. Okay, so I'm going to test the system now. So this, like I said, this is the card. We have the card here, and then we have the FOB here. So let's assume a teacher is using this to sign in. It's already programmed, and the card too is already programmed. You get him in now. So you watch. This is his screen. You can read scan monitor. So you see the result when I put see people, you can't see me where I'm going to tag in. So I'm going to tag in the card. Let me just show you that. I'm going to tag in the card. You see the green LED light on. Look at it. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, there's a reading you have there. Let me do that of card. Can you see? Do you have it now? So that is it. But this is what you have. This is the information you have. Let me see. You can get that. You can see access. Then I'm putting in the card now. You see what it will change to. That is student access. Sorry, teacher's access. Let me change it to the card. You have student access. Student access. Let me change it again. Can you see? You change to teacher access. So that is how that is operated. So, and actually this can be applied to automatic door lock as well. This entire system, you've been to a place where you just swap card to unlock door. So this is what we use, and guess what, you can build the same. So just follow us on Dex Africa, where I take you step by step on amazing projects. They are not just projects, they are applicable. So at Dex Africa we instill the tech mind in the young people. Thank you.